Hey guys, I'm Jeremy and welcome to Rambling Roads. On this channel I cover a bunch of things, mostly true crime and travel, but I'll go into a bunch of different mysteries, tragedies, and other things. Since I'm in Colorado, I'm mostly doing the big cases here, like JonBenet Ramsey, Chris Watts, James Holmes, the Columbine shooters, etc. And then eventually I'll branch off and go to other states. And for my true crime stories, I'm not just telling the story that happened, I'm going to the scene and giving some feedback and some of my thoughts on the cases. I also have a lot of my various experiences on this channel I've had over the years. I was in the Army, I've been a commercial fisherman in Alaska, I've taught English in China and had a tour company there, which I've since moved back to Colorado. I've hiked the Appalachian Trail, I've biked around the world, I've taken motorcycle trips across many parts of Asia and a couple countries in Latin America. So I have a lot of crazy stories over the years, from the time I was run over by an SUV near Tibet, living in China during COVID and trying to do a tour business, and recently I got robbed at gunpoint in Peru. And I've also almost been killed a few times. So I've got all those stories on here you can look up. If you happen to be coming to Colorado and interested in any kind of true crime tour or other tours, I do that here. I've got walking tours for true crime around the city. We check out like some breweries and murals in the area. And I've also got hiking, biking, and camping tours and other things. So I'll put a link below for that. And I'll also have like minivan tours to some of the crime locations in and around Denver. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the video and I'll see you around. Cheers.